Again, I have not made any PPT, so I'll read out. My name is Chandrashekhar Kutumbe, and I'm representing Cakes and Cookies here. My wife Sarita, who's a postgraduate and helps me in my business. I have a son Karthik, who's 24 years, who's also a graduate, and he is a special category child. He had cerebral palsy at birth. So my wife takes care of him as well as my business and me. So she does a lot of work, more than me. I have been born in Nagpur but brought up elsewhere, and we came back to Nagpur. As Sunil Kuigar said, Chai Basa, I heard for the first time after a long time, in fact. I spent my childhood in what was Bihar, now Jharkhand. And my father was a mining engineer, and he was posted. All mines are actually at back of the beyond places. So it was an adventure for any one of you staying in cities. As we used to go from our railway station to our house, we had to cross a river, and we used to cross it by now. Later a bridge was built. So this is my childhood there. I studied at Ramakrishna Mission also for 2.5 years. But then my mother decided to come to Nagpur, our hometown, and I left it and came to Saraswati Vidyalaya, from where Sunil also is, my batchmate actually. And presently in the evening, our batchmate will take oath for the third time, for the second time as Chief Minister. Devendra Fadnavis. Okay. My hobbies are, I love to travel. I love to surf internet like all of you, but I am more interested in defense. Defense and politics, geopolitics, everything. So anybody wants to talk about it, argue about it, I am always game. Activities, I told you about that. Now my business. Cakes and Cookies I started in 1994. I'll tell you about my education also along with it, because I cannot go as given there. I studied till 12th year. From 7th to 12th I was here in Nagpur, Saraswati Vidyalaya and then SFS College, seminarians. Later on I wanted to get into hotel management. So there's an exam, JEE, for hotel management institutes also. I gave that exam, I got Bhopal as center. I rejected that. I thought, let's try again next year and get Mumbai or Delhi or some good place. I didn't get through the next time. In the meanwhile, since I had good marks, I joined engineering. I did 6 months of engineering. So don't take me for granted, I know some science. Later on, I left that and joined IHM Pune. What is IHM Pune now? It was FCI Pune then. I did my diploma in hotel management and catering technology from there. After that, I worked in Goa, Siddhartha, Goa. It's a beautiful property even now, but it's taken over by Taj now. It's actually a very beautiful property. It's a 5-star deluxe property. It has ocean and river both together. Even if I have left it long back, I still have very good memories, and the hotel is actually fantastic. If you ever go to Goa and you would want to stay there, it's premium property, but it's a very good property. After I left Goa, I came back to Nagpur. I wanted to start something of my own. I had options of restaurants or bakery, or I'd even thought of housekeeping, but then housekeeping was not something, laundry, I'm sorry, not housekeeping, really, laundry. Mechanical laundry, industrial laundries was not there in Nagpur, and there was no trend of hospitals and hotels washing their linen in mechanical laundries. They had their own dhobies. So I didn't think that I could convert people at that time into coming to mechanical laundries. Bakery was an option. It's 5 minutes? Okay, I have exceeded. So I started bakery in 1994 as a proprietorship only, and it's 30 years now. It's been a very long time and a very interesting journey. I cannot talk about it right now because I've been given 5 minutes and it's over. Industry has evolved, the business has evolved, so have the people. I came in probably at the right time into this business in Nagpur because there was only one bakery, Harry's Bakery at that time, who was providing what I was providing. I wanted to provide. And after that, now it's mushroom. You have bakery and cafes at every nook and corner all around the city. It was very difficult because we started from the scratch. Everything was done from the scratch. Now industry has evolved, and any one of you want to start a bakery, 24 hours, 5 lakh rupees, you can start. So that's about the bakery. Skills, yes, I have baking, cooking skills, and since I am a trained personnel, I have to have that. Circle of influence, I am connected with RSS, I am connected with Chitpam Raman Sangh and our local Ramdas Pet Residents Association. I am not directly but definitely pro BJP all my life. Communities, neighborhoods, done goals. I want to start more outlets of my own. Actually, I started franchisees, but franchisees somehow didn't work out for me. I have certain ideas that have to be implemented if someone has to work with me. It's difficult to work with me. So I just couldn't get through franchising model. But I'd love to, that's my goal, have another at least 2 outlets where I would be able to give my customers the best. My best customers are all of you. Every living person is my customer. It's a B2C model that I have. I have a B2B model also, but somehow I was more interested in B2C. I continued with B2C, and all of you are my customers. Food industry has undergone a big change in the last few years. The way the internet coming in and with the communication coming in, there's a lot of activity going on there. So the customers I'd like to have are customers who know things well. It's better that they know than me teaching them. A lot of wrong ideas are there with all of us about food. Certain things are correct, but certain things are actually detrimental to all of us. You must know your food. It's important. I'd like to remember me as a person who can give you your sweet tooth. So, cakes and cookies, Chandrashekhar Kutumbe here. Thank you.